Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Pro L3h2 Blue HDI spares or repairs good project. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 153,000. MOT, the 9th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, engine valves are bent. Timing belt has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, sat-nav, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.